Congratulations! You have been awarded free credits to kickstart your own ad journey on Grab. And guess what? It's all on us. Now, whether you're a seasoned business owner or looking to promote your newest store, this is the platform for you. Take advantage of this opportunity to create image and search ads that will allow you to reach out to more customers on the ad. To activate your free credits, just follow these 3 simple steps. Now, firstly, launch your Grab Merchant app and click on the marketing tile. Your ads credits will be displayed prominently on the ad. Now, please note that the amount shown on this slide is purely for illustrative purposes. And lastly, scroll down to start creating an ad that will be shown to all your customers. Now, if you face any difficulties with creating your ad at this point in time, or if you have more questions, do sign up for our Grab Merchant Center Marketing Manager 101 workshop to learn how to set up ads step by step. Don't worry, we will share more details with you at the end of this video. And don't just take it from us. We have had multiple case studies of merchants who have not just tried, but thrived, achieving impressive ROI from their ad campaigns. But do take note that these free credits will expire at the end of 30 days, so do get started to redeem them now. Now, any excess ad spend will be deducted directly from your store earnings. So for example, if you spend a total of $200 on your ad campaign and you've got free credits of $50, then the remaining $150 will be automatically deducted from your store earnings. But no worries, as you can pause your ads at any point in time or set an end date for your ad campaign. And that's it. So what are you waiting for? And remember, if you are interested to learn more about setting up ads in detail and how to run promotions or participate in our Grab marketing campaigns to amplify your sales, register for our Marketing Manager 101 workshop now through the URL or QR code displayed on your screen. Now, thank you for being part of the Grab journey. Your success story is waiting, so let's make it happen now.